Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, gold has pretty much been following along just like I said. Yesterday I was saying that it's more likely going to push up to a higher fib level because this move down is not impulsive at all. I still think this is an A. I still think we are likely in a way B. It doesn't have to turn at this 61. It could go up to the 78 and sometimes it even goes to the 88. So if it does make an engulfing move down at this level, then I would take it as a short. If it doesn't, but it decides to go up to the 78%, which is definitely possible, and then it makes an engulfing move down, then that would be my sort. On the daily time frame, I still think it's extremely clear that we're in a wave four. I still think this is almost definitely an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So I am still very, very bullish on the higher time frames. There's always a chance that it just keeps on trending up from here, so be careful because the higher time frames are definitely, definitely still in an uptrend. On the 1 hour time frame, I still think it would make more sense for it to turn down at one of these two fib levels to make a wave C for the A, for the B, and for the C of wave four. But we just need to be a little bit careful because the daily is definitely in an uptrend. And if it doesn't make an engulfing move down and break structure, but instead push up, and then do the same thing, doesn't engulf down, but just keeps on pushing up, then just keep on looking for longs. If you pay attention to what price does at a Fibonacci level, then you should be able to recognize when the correction is over, if it really is over. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.